some sort of red, some sort of belt. Yeah, some sort of belt around his shoulder papunta dito sa side ng kanyang body. And then you also have the uniform, Soul Reaper uniform. It's a traditional black robe. Tapos meron siya mga tattoos na some sort of letter X the pattern, and then ganda rin itong pattern nito, some lines papunta dun sa knuckles. And then you also have the white na rope around his waist. Tapos super cool ng drapery nitong lower part ng kanyang uniform. And also look at the legs, yung traditional na Japanese na slippers, and also you have texture here. Ang ganda rin ng finish nito. So para siyang semi-gloss finish. Hindi siya super matte, hindi siya super gloss. So mixture ng dalawa kasi meron siyang konting shine. And then you also have the very large sword na at the back. Ganda rin ng pose niya eh. Para lang siyang standing pose, pero ang angas ng presence niya. Tapos very dynamic yung pose, yung pagkakagawa dito sa chain, very nice. Also ganda nitong sword na to. Meron pang silver na line around the edge. Also medyo mag-ingat, buti na lang medyo curve, or medyo curve itong tip kasi baka kung sobrang pointed niyan baka makasugat eh. So yun, ingat na lang kayo doon mga ma'am sir. Overall, this is a very nice build from Bandai Namco Banpresto Grandista line, Bleach, Grandista, Kurosaki, Ichigo. If you have the extra resources and you like Kurosaki, Ichigo from Bleach, do it mga ma'am sir. Meron pa silang available doon. Again, shout out to Philbars Multiverse, to Sir Sai, shout out din. Maraming salamat. Nakita pa ako kanina ng mga, I think one piece dun sa Philbars Sky Garden naman. So dalawang Philbars sa SM North EDSA. You have one in Sky Garden, and you have also another shop at the 4th floor, The Block. So yun mga ma'am sir, nakuha ko to sa The Block. And kung gusto nyo nga makakuha nito, punta lang kayo dun sa SM, okay? O kaya magtanong kayo sa mga local hobby shops, okay? Again, thank you very much Philbars Multiverse for this very cool statue. I-custom repaint na dito very soon, okay? Maraming salamat. Wala tong articulation mga ma'am sir ha. Statue lang to. So wala na tayong articulation na gagawin dito, okay? Thank you very much for watching and see you sa next video. Bye-bye!